This is the most flavorful and creamy pumpkin tart you'll ever taste. The crust is wonderfully crisp, and if you add a spoonful of whipped cream on top, heaven. Start with the pumpkin, drizzle a little oil on them, and bake them until soft and tender. In the meantime, you can make the crust. I put 300 grams of flour, 15 grams of sugar and 3 grams of salt in a food processor. Then I added 115 grams of cold butter cut into cubes and paused until the mixture looked sandy. You can do this by hand, but it's way easier with the food processor. I transferred the mixture into a bowl, added a bit of cold water and gently mixed just until the dough came together. Then I wrapped it in plastic wrap and refrigerated for at least half an hour. Once chilled, I rolled out the dough to fit the bottom and sides of a 26 cm tart pan, shaped the edges as nicely as I could, and baked it. Covered with parchment paper and weights, I used rice for 15 minutes at 200 Celsius, no fan. Then I removed the rice and the paper and baked for another 10 minutes. For the filling, I blended the roasted pumpkin into a puree using a food processor. Then I mixed 640 grams of this pumpkin puree with 600 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 3 eggs, 1 yolk, and a secret spice mix, meaning 3 grams of salt, 3 grams of ground ginger, 5 grams of cinnamon, 1 gram nutmeg, and 5 grams of vanilla. These spices are what give the tart its amazing flavor. I blended everything with an immersion blender, poured it into the pre-baked crust, and baked at 160 Celsius, no fan, for about an hour, or until the center is almost set. I let the tart cool very slowly in the oven so it wouldn't crack. Before serving, I like to top it with a spoonful of softly whipped cream, and I highly recommend you do the same.